Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be doing a review on a vlog microphone for your cell phone. We'll be right back. Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing a microphone made by Comica. Model number is CVM-VS08. This is a pretty cool device. We will be recording with this today. We will be using this microphone within this video to do a demonstration of it. Is that this is way too big. I understand the purpose of it, but it gets in the way. Definitely not useful. Now we're going to do a test with the directional microphone. I have stuff playing in the background on purpose so we can determine if this is actually working or not. So if the microphone's actually picking me up and you don't really hear anybody in the background, which is the important thing, especially when you're doing vlogging and stuff like that, you want to be able to have a good microphone that actually could, you know, record you and listen to you, especially if there's noise around you, and that's majority of the time when you're vlogging. So I'm going to take the microphone out now, and we're going to the stuff that's playing in the background, and there's a difference between if you're vlogging using the built-in microphone on your phone or using an external microphone such as this, and I'm trying to figure out if it's actually any different, which it probably is. I'm sure you noticed a difference already. So I'm going to plug this back in again, and now we're recording back to this, and you can clearly hear my voice much clearer and crisper. We proved that the microphone works really, really well in a noisy environment, and I recommend it for vloggers. This is a must-have microphone if you have the 1/8" jack on your phone. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,